Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening the YouTube app and picking the video you want. Make sure the app is updated so caption features are current. Tap the playing video to reveal controls, then tap the CC button or the three-dot more menu to access captions. Turn captions on immediately because this activates either uploaded subtitles or YouTube's auto-generated captions. Once done, you'll be able to see language options and the caption toggle. This is the essential first step to change how captions appear and which language they use. Next, choose the exact caption language and whether to auto-translate. Tap Captions, then Language, and pick from available uploaded subtitle options. If you don't see your language, enable auto-translate and select a target language. This converts auto-generated or uploaded captions into another language in real time. Make sure to distinguish uploaded captions, which are usually more accurate, versus auto-generated ones, which may contain errors. Adjust your expectations accordingly, and try a different language if translation quality is poor. Finally, change caption appearance through your iPhone's accessibility settings for font, size, and background so captions are readable across apps. If captions don't show, restart the YouTube app, update it, or sign out and sign back in. Make sure the video actually includes captions. Many videos lack them. If problems persist, delete and reinstall the app or try a different video. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle captions off and on again, and then restart the app. This often forces the correct caption track to load.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.